Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to merge C and D drive in Windows. So if you want to merge the C and D drive, first of all what you have to do is click on the search icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now what you have to do is simply search for partitions. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for create and format hard disk partitions. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here the disk management will be opened up. You'll be able to find the C drive and D drive over here. So if you want to merge them together, what you have to do is right click on the D drive. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for delete volume and click on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. What you have to do is click on the yes option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here D drive will be deleted and this storage will be unallocated. Now what you have to do is right click on the C drive. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for extend volume. Simply click on it. Now click on the option next that you can see on the screen. Make sure your disk is selected. Now what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the selected disk over here. What you have to do is click on the finish option. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. The operation you selected will convert the selected basic disk to dynamic disk. So simply click on the option yes. Now after that your C drive and D drive will be merged. So that is how you merge C and D drive in Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.